Hello friends, my name is Saitan Fees and you're watching God is Great channel. Today I will share with you two verses of God in doubt regarding what is given to us in the Holy Scriptures. If you like my video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start the video and learn in doubt regarding what is given to us in the Holy Scriptures. Believe in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Lord. First, Matthew 8, chapter 26, verse, and the second, Hebrews 4, chapter and 11, verse. He said to them, O you of little faith, why are you afraid? Then he got up and rebuked the water, and there was great peace. And the second verse is Hebrews 4 chapter 11 verse. So let us try to enter into the peace so that no one fell by disobedience like them. May God's special blessing be upon the reading and the listening of the Holy Word. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you.